My name is Eugene Christopher Edwards. I work at the Legal Assistance Foundation in Metropolitan Chicago. I've been doing this type of work since 1981, and 28 years later, I'm still here. From 1981 to 1989, I was working with the Cook County Legal Assistance Foundation. Then our organization was absorbed by the Legal Assistance Foundation of Chicago in 2000. A typical day for me begins at around 4:45 and ends at 5 o'clock. I tend to get here early, working on my cases or working on administrative matters so that I can be free to supervise and interact with my staff. My philosophy of management is that I should know something about everything that goes on in the office, from answering the phones at the reception desk to co-counseling the most complex cases. But this is a pretty stressful job. That's why I don't have any hair. When I came here, I had a head full of hair.
He is very knowledgeable in the law. He's very patient. He's so passionate about the clients, and he explains everything so well to you, and he cares about the staff. Actually, he's been one of the best supervisors I've had.
Well, I specialize in 3 areas of law: school discipline, landlord-tenant, and Social Security medical eligibility determinations. I had one case where a young man had been accepted at Ohio State and Emory University, and some gang members had brought a pistol to school. So then they had it in the locker room for the gym. And he held it for about 5 seconds. He said, well, what do I do with this now? And well, here comes the teacher. He got in trouble, was facing expulsion for possession of a weapon. He was a senior. And this was right around the time of one of these school shootings that just happened. When we went to hearing, I said, oh my goodness. Well, the board rejected the recommendation to expel him. The only thing they said is he couldn't march across the stage. And that was a small price to pay because he did get his diploma and he did go on to college.
A lot of our clients are in very desperate situations. He listens a lot. Eugene really cares. He's been so successful in defending clients. He just wants to extend that knowledge to the rest of the staff.
I've always been a person who's been given to get upset over injustice to the people who are society's underdogs. And then representing them represents a greater challenge. And I like to be challenged. You have fewer resources and you have the biases that are built into the society against them. So when you can overcome and get things on their behalf, then you've really accomplished something.